लेके तेरा नाम।
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பேர் சிவராகுல். நான் சென்னையிலேருந்து வரேன். இது என்னுடைய கர்போவர் அண்ட் ஸ்பிட்டி வேலியோடைய ஃபஸ்ட்டு ட்ரிப்பு. எனக்கு இந்த அனுபவம் வந்து ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக, மகிழ்ச்சியாக, மனசுக்கு ரொம்ப நிறைவாக இருக்குது. இந்த டெம்பரேச்சர் பார்த்திங்கன்னா ரொம்ப குளுன்னு ரொம்ப இதாக இருந்துச்சு. ரொம்ப சில்லுன்னு இருந்தது. ஸோ ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். கர்போவருக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி இந்த அனுபவத்தை கொடுத்ததுக்கு.
नाइस. yesterday इधर बहुत कोल्ड है, ऑलमोस्ट -5 से -4 से -5 तक है. इधर नींद आने के भी ऑक्सीजन प्रॉब्लम बहुत प्रॉब्लम करता है. बाद में हेडेक भी होता है. इधर देखो क्लाइमेट, हमें चंद्रस्थल लेक पास है. इधर कैंपिंग में हमें रात सो गया. इधर नींद आने का भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम करता है. एक क्लाइमेट तो बहुत कोल्ड वेदर है इधर.
Being down south, everything is so at what shall we say, room temperature, and here when we come, the climate, the scenery, oh my god, it's breathtaking. You really feel humbled when you meet these majestic mountains. Have you noticed that you don't remember how many days or what date it is? Right? Don't remember. That typically happens because you lose track of time and you lose track of the recent. कल यहाँ था कि परसों वहाँ था, that way. Good morning, folks. It is 8 o'clock. I would suggest please pack up your stuff, load in the cars, and come for breakfast. We will try to leave by 9. You have 1 hour to gather your belongings, put them in the car. Also, please try and start the cars and leave them idling for around 10 minutes before we start.
Finally, we are back to civilization, eating some food.
అందరికీ నమస్తే అండి. మేము ఇక్కడ కర్బోవర్ గ్రూప్ బెంగళూరు నుంచి దాదాపు 14 వెహికల్స్ సుజుకి జిమ్నీ వెహికల్స్లో మా కర్బోవర్ గ్రూప్ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వచ్చాము. హిమాచల్ ప్రదేశ్ స్పితి వ్యాలీ, మళ్ళీ హిక్కిమ్ వరల్డ్ హైయెస్ట్ పోస్ట్ ఆఫీస్, మరి ఇక్కడ చీచం బ్రిడ్జ్ వరల్డ్ హైయెస్ట్ ఏషియాస్ హైయెస్ట్ హ్యాంగింగ్ బ్రిడ్జ్ ఇన్ చీచం. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్గా ఇక్కడ అడ్వెంచర్ కోసం వచ్చామండి, ఓవర్ ల్యాండింగ్ కోసము. దాదాపు 14 వెహికల్స్ ఇక్కడ కన్వాయ్ నడుస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ చాలా బాగా అరేంజ్మెంట్ చేసినారు మాకందరికి. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఏమంటే మీరు వరల్డ్ రిస్కియెస్ట్ రోడ్స్ అండి ఇక్కడ.
Hey, good evening. Finally, we have reached Jispa. After a grueling 8 hours on the Spiti trail, we finally hit tarmac near Atal. Lovely roads all the way till Jispa. People are just checking in. It has been a really lovely day, and we made good time. So it's 5:20, and tomorrow morning we climb Shinkula and spend the day at Gombo Ranjon. And tonight we have a campfire and time to relax, take a bath, get back into civilization.
पार चना दे दिसे खुली आरती घड़िया घड़िया आवे घड़िया रात हनेरी नदी ठाठा मार दी अड़िए अड़िए आनी अड़िए पार चना दे दिसे खुली आरती.
So अभी हम लोग पद्मा लॉज जिस्पा से निकल रहे हैं. We're all ready and our next destination is Shinkula Pass and Gombo Ranjon, जिसके बारे में मैंने कोई रिसर्च नहीं किया है because I wanted that place to be a surprise for me. So I'm really excited to see कि where are we heading to. Yeah, let's go.
Another different thing is like in Spiti we see mountains with purple color soil or something. Now we'll be entering the Zanskar Valley, and here we have heard that every mountain has a different shade. It is even more beautiful than what we have already seen so far. So we are very much excited to go.
Curbover has made it to the Shinkula Pass, and this is unbelievable, totally worth not knowing what's ahead. So this is amazing. And just like that, we're proceeding to Gombo Ranjan. So I'm still excited to see what's there because, as I said before, I have no clue what is ahead. It's all a surprise for me. Yay, let's go!
धीमी धीमी चलने लगी है अब हवाएं धीमी धीमी खुलने लगी है आज राहें रंगने लगे हैं मंजिल को जाने के राह सारे जैसे आसमां के चीटे पड़े हो पंखे सितारे धीमी धीमी रोशनी सी बह रही है यहाँ
को पैसेंजर से पूछिए हाउ वाज इट
Man, awesome!
Curbover.
धीमी धीमी रोशनी सी बह रही है यहाँ रत है रत है रत है तू है तो एक लम्हा खूबसूरत
Gombo Ranjan! Woo! So we finally made it to the Gombo Ranjan mountains, this holy divine beauty, and I'm going down right in front of it and thanking it for keeping my Curbover family safe.
This is one of those places where you just kind of had to be here to believe what this is like. I really have no words to describe what this is like. But yeah, this is, it's very serene, it's very beautiful.
मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया उससे मिले हुए मुझको तो अरसा हो गया
And we are having a fantastic time today here. We had a serious amount of off-roading. We went into the stream. We did the off-roading track. We experienced a lot today. We also passed through Shinkula, and the holy mountain of Gombo Ranjan is behind us. We are all excited to be here, and thanks to the Curbover team. सपनों में मेरे वो रोज आता और जाता है संग वो अपने मुझको भी रोज बुलाता है
मोहब्बत हो जरूरी तो नहीं एक सी दोनों की
मैं गाड़ी की तरफ जा रहा हूँ और मैं देख रहा हूँ मानिक फटाफट से सारा सामान गाड़ी का निकाल के ऐसे से कर रहा है इधर इसे पता नहीं क्या हो गया मैं क्या इसे पता नहीं क्या हो गया
So suddenly I hear a hissing and a crackling kind of a sound. It's just like an electrical shortcut, you know, short circuit.
तीन टायर फटे बोले मैं ऐसे स्टेरिंग छोड़ के ऐसे बैठी हुई इसको पकड़ के अरे इधर पकड़ छोड़ता नहीं है आई एम ड्राइविंग एट द सेम टाइम आई एम क्राइंग tears all over. He's like, don't.
फनी इंसिडेंट तो नहीं था, इंसिडेंट था आज का। पहली बार ऑफ रोडिंग, मैंने कहा हम भी ट्राई कर लेते हैं। क्या बात, फंसा दी जाएगी।
And Ashu was panicking. ये क्या कर दिया, मैं जा रही हूँ।
So he was constantly honking. एक टर्न आया तो हॉन्क, टर्न आया तो हॉन्क होना ही चाहिए। एक ही टर्न नहीं था वो पूरे दिन रामपुर बुसर से जब तो निकली वो हॉर्न नहीं बजा। और ऐसा हॉर्न की मतलब पूरा आगे तक इस कार नंबर 5 तो कार नंबर 4, 3, 2, 1 सबका काम उसमें ही हो जाता था। तो बाद में मुझे रोक के बोलता है यार लोग सर आप ठीक नहीं चले थे, आप हॉर्न ही नहीं बजाते हैं।
एक सी दोनों की हालत हो जरूरी तो नहीं उनको भी हम।
Okay, guys, I just wanted to, just a word of appreciation for all of you having the trust in me to come on this trip. I know it's been ups and downs, and we've had some unfortunate incidents, but this is all part of the incident. I think once we cross school and college days, we don't really make any new friends, and this gives us an opportunity to make real strong relationships and friends, and that's what I've always found, right? So in every group, in every expedition that I've done, the group that has come along continue this relationship. I don't delete the groups, so we will keep posting, and we will keep remembering each other, leaning on each other's shoulders as we go along, right? So this group has now, I believe, I think, and I wish that they have made really new friends for life, and these friends are coming without any malice. You can depend on these guys, you can depend on each other, and they'll always stand by you, right? So that's what these expeditions bring along, apart from whatever you've experienced, right? So from a novice driver, you've become a properly trained guy. You've gone through incidents. We have 2 PhDs also, right? So they will never forget, and you'll have stories to go back and tell, right? And you will also be able to share these experiences with your family and with your friends, and and learn from them, right? So that's most important. And once again, thanks you for all the trust that you had, that you committed to this expedition, and that you came. And I look forward to many more expeditions like this, right? So as a small I would like to give you a small, thank you, sir. It's a certificate of achievement for all of you who have contributed to this expedition, right? It's a certificate of achievement. Pataudi sahab, Sharma sahab, Valjan, Sani sahab, Eddie certificate, yeah. Yours, and ma'am, yours. Yeah.
A little sweet, a little sour, a little close, not too far. A little sweet, a little sour, a little close, not too far. All I need, all I need, all I need is to be free.
छू लूं मैं इतना करे, चल पड़ो तो कितना